Welcome back. In today's video, we'll dive into affiliate marketing, how to get started, choose the right programs, and scale your business for success. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote someone else's product or service and earn a commission for each sale or action generated through your unique affiliate link. Essentially, you act as a middleman between the product creator and potential customers. To start, you sign up for an affiliate program, choose products you want to promote, and share them with your audience via your platform, such as a website, blog, or social media. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission, which can be a one-time payment or a recurring income, depending on the program. Affiliate marketing is popular because it allows you to make money without creating your own products. It's also flexible as you can promote a wide range of products that fit your niche and interests, making it an accessible and scalable way to earn passive income. Finding the right affiliate programs? Finding the right affiliate programs is crucial to your success in affiliate marketing. Start by choosing programs that align with your niche. For example, if you're in personal finance, look for finance-related products or services. Make sure the program offers competitive commission rates and a good reputation. Research how the product or service converts, meaning how often visitors make a purchase after clicking your link. Higher conversion rates lead to more earnings. Look for reliable affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale, which hosts numerous programs across different niches. Also, ensure the program provides support and marketing tools to help you promote effectively. Picking the right programs means choosing quality products your audience will trust, and that will generate consistent income for you. Setting up your platform. Setting up your platform is essential for promoting affiliate products. Start by creating a website or blog where you can post valuable content like product reviews, tutorials, or comparison lists. Platforms like WordPress are easy to use for beginners. If you're active on social media, you can also promote affiliate links through Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter. The key is to have a space where you can consistently share content that aligns with your niche and audience's interests. Make sure your platform is user-friendly, trustworthy, and provides easy access to your affiliate links, encouraging visitors to engage and convert. Creating valuable content. Creating valuable content is at the heart of affiliate marketing success. To truly engage your audience, your content should focus on providing real value. This could mean offering solutions to their problems, sharing helpful information, or giving honest opinions about products you believe in. The goal is to build trust with your audience so they feel confident in the recommendations you make. For example, you can write detailed product reviews explaining how the item works, its benefits, and why you think it's worth purchasing. Another way is through creating how-to guides or tutorials where you show your audience how to use certain products. The more helpful and informative your content, the more likely your audience will connect with it. Remember, the focus should always be on helping your audience first, not just on making sales. When you provide value, your audience will trust your recommendations, making them more likely to click on your affiliate links. Driving traffic to your content. Driving traffic to your content is crucial for affiliate marketing success. One effective method is search engine optimization, SEO, which helps your content rank higher on search engines like Google. By using relevant keywords and optimizing your content, more people will find your posts. Additionally, social media is a great way to promote your content. Share your blog posts or videos on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter to reach a larger audience. You can also join niche-specific groups or communities to engage with potential customers directly. Lastly, paid ads such as Google ads or Facebook ads can boost traffic quickly. Start small with ads to test which approach works best for your audience. The more targeted your traffic, the higher the chances of generating affiliate sales. Tracking your results. Tracking your results is essential for improving your affiliate marketing efforts. By monitoring your performance, you can understand what's working and what's not, allowing you to optimize your strategy for better results. One of the best tools for tracking is Google Analytics, which helps you monitor traffic sources, user behavior, and how visitors interact with your content. Additionally, most affiliate programs provide their own tracking dashboards where you can view clicks, conversions, and commissions. And these insights show which affiliate links are performing well and which need adjustment. You can also track the conversion rates of different affiliate offers to see which products are most popular with your audience. Over time, analyze which types of content generate the most clicks and conversions. This data allows you to fine-tune your content, choose better products, and even adjust your marketing strategies to maximize your affiliate income. Scaling your affiliate marketing business. Scaling your affiliate marketing business involves expanding your efforts to increase income without significantly increasing your workload. Once you've found success with your initial affiliate marketing strategy, it's time to focus on growth. The first step in scaling is to promote higher ticket items or products with recurring commissions. Higher ticket products offer larger payouts per sale, while recurring commissions provide a steady stream of income as long as the customer stays subscribed or continues using the product. This can significantly boost your revenue without needing to make more sales. Next, expand your content across different platforms. If you're primarily focused on a blog, consider creating a YouTube channel or branching out into podcasts. This diversification helps you reach new audiences. If you're already active on social media, start leveraging paid ads to drive more traffic to your content and increase conversions. Another key to scaling is automating your processes. Use email marketing tools to create automated email sequences that nurture leads and promote affiliate products over time. You can also automate social media posts and content distribution to maintain consistency while reducing the amount of time you spend on manual tasks. Lastly, reinvest your affiliate earnings into further growth, whether that means upgrading your website, running paid ads, or outsourcing content creation. Scaling is all about increasing reach, optimizing strategies, and making smarter investments to boost profits without increasing effort drastically. That's it for today's video on scaling your affiliate marketing business. I hope these tips help you grow and succeed. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on affiliate marketing and personal finance. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.